We're kicking off summer 2025 with Dawn's Corner. There's grass stains that are likely to happen with all the kids running around, having some fun in the sun, and that's where we have Dreft come in to play.
To help us.
Yes.
So this is Dreft, and I brought you their detergent packs today, and you're holding their fabric rinse, and this is for the entire family.
I've used this before. It's great
It's great for the whole family, but it is also the #1 pediatrician-recommended detergent brand. So for your kids, because obviously it's hypoallergenic, tough on stains, gentle on skin, works on all types of fabrics, it doesn't have any heavy perfumes or dyes, and it delivers 3 times the cleaning than a lot of other things out there on the market, even when you combine them. But during the summer, it's like I start off with a sweater, then I'm in shorts, then I'm in a bathing suit, so I have so much laundry to do. I find it's more in the summertime.
Oh, absolutely.
With different outfits that you wear, and this is just available at retailers nationwide that you can get it. But I love this. I add this to my laundry detergent all the time. Everything is so soft, and I have a lot of different fabrics that I wash and wear, from silks and things like that. So this works great for me too.
I love it with my babies, but then I researched and researched and researched, and like you said, it's pediatrician recommended, and so I knew it was safe for them, but it's also good for adults' clothes too.
Yes.
So it works for everybody.
It's for the whole family. Next, the warmer weather brings what?
Well, bugs.
Bugs. It brings bugs. So thank you, Zevo, to the rescue. This is ZevoInsect.com, and this is the Zevo flying insect trap. It effectively lures, catches, and kills 99% of trapped bugs. It's got the Zevo. Basically, it's got the blue and UV light that's going to catch those insects 24/7. Ones that you don't see. So like I have them by my front door, like in the front bathroom. I have them in my living room, by my kitchen, and it is kind of frightening sometimes, the stuff that I feel that it catches, because there's a lot of bugs you don't see. And I don't know, this is a fun fact, but 2 fruit flies in 1 week can develop over 500.
Oh dear.
So
don't tell me these things.
You don't want to definitely do that. But I have them, you know, you can be safe in the house. This will definitely take care of it 24/7 when you're sleeping, everything when they come in. And like I said, your kids going through the garage and in and out the front door, picking up our packages, things like that. And then they've got this on-body mosquito and tick repellent. So what I love about this, I'm going to spray you like here. Let's get both.
We're going boating after this, so that's great.
We want to make sure, exactly. So this is going to give you 8 hours of protection for the entire family. And I don't know if you noticed this, but it's odorless and it's dry. It's like really, really easy. It's not sticky or anything. And again, Zevo Insect, you can get at retailers nationwide.
Awesome. I know my sister has the plug-in and she loves it.
No, I love them. I have 3 of them in my house. I've used them for years. They're fabulous.
Can't have enough.
Next up, do you shop online?
All the time.
All the time. So everybody right now, take out your cell phones and download ShopBack. This is an app. It's actually ranked the top 5 actually cashback apps in the U.S. based on monthly mobile app users. And you're going to, wait for this, earn $1 back on every Amazon purchase. And there is no limit. So I signed up about 3 weeks ago. I've already made $12 back.
Oh my
gosh. Had I started this, I order so much. Like from the beginning, $89 I've already missed out on. So definitely download this. You can download it on your actual, just your mobile device. I actually do most of my shopping on my computer. So all it is when you download it, it pops up a little thing that says, do you want to use ShopBack? I click yes, and when I do my Amazon purchase, it's just really, really seamless. Again, it's available at nearly 4,000 retailers. They're showing you right there. We've got Walmart, Nike. It's summertime. Maybe you're going to take a trip. It even works on Booking.com, and any of my gamers out there, it works on games too. So it's a multitude, like I said, of almost 4,000.
I see Kohl's on there. Chase just stopped there yesterday.
4,000, like I said, Walmart, everybody goes there. So you definitely, this is something you want to download now.
Okay, awesome. And this one is kind of cool
so we
too.
all talk about Korean skincare, right?
Yeah.
I brought you Korea's #1 skincare brand, Medicube, and it's medicube.us, and it just happens to be found on Amazon as well.
Easy.
You just turned on the device. This is the Booster Pro. So this is, they do basically devices and they do topical products to kind of get you that enviable glass glow skin that we all want. So this has 6 key functions in it that you're holding, and it's basically going to help you like product absorption that you put on any of your products that you use, even anything that's going to help out with any pores. It's going to do a lot of that like facial contouring, that lifting. The red light's going to help with anybody that has that acne, and that's just to name a few of what I'm trying to say. It's really easy, and again, I say use it with, they have a great product, especially right now, a deep vitamin C. I'm going to put this little capsule that's going to pop on you here, that you can just pop it. and then you can spread that onto your face and use the device.
This?
I would put it on and then use the device for it. Is what you can do. So you'll want to rub that in really well. And again, I say vitamin C this time of year because it's going to help with uneven skin tone. It's going to help with those free radicals and things that you get. But see how lightweight it is too? And you just put it on your skin. And remember, people, we always want to go up when we're using devices. We don't want to pull anything down. Your husbands, I see men and stuff rubbing this way and stuff. We always want to keep lifting.
I really like this.
Yes, it's really lightweight. It's great. And again, it's also available on Amazon. And it's Korea's #1 skincare brand. So I just didn't bring you a Korean skincare brand. We brought you the #1. And then lastly, I have something for Charlotte.
You never forget her.
And I'm going to apologize in advance. I'm not a great singer. So this is Animals Are Great. And this is basically, this is such a cute, whimsical, interactive sing-along book from the creators of TikaTikaTime.com. And this is Lisa, Mark, and Latifa. And this is great for ages 3 to 8. And it's going to really help them learn. So what you're going to do is download this little QR code that you'll have on the first page there. And it'll take you to their YouTube page where you can do a sing-along with Miss Latifa. Children will be able to like meet all these different animals and things like that. So the first song, like if you go to their website, it's like, I'm a wolf, howling at the moon, and the girl's like this and this.
Oh, there you go.
They do the dogs. They're like,
you got it memorized.
Woof. Yeah, and they've got the birds. Like, look at how cute. I'm a bird. Watch me fly. So she's obviously a way better singer than I am. But this is really fun for the kids during the summer. You're not going to like me when you're driving around and your mom's like, your kids are singing this song. Exactly. Singing it. So it gets them to know about all different animals and things like that. It's really fun.
Now.
Exactly.
Charlotte will love it. Thank you so much, Dawn.
Thank you.
We love having you here. Thanks for helping us kick off summer 2025.
Happy summer, everyone.